This is 7 Mile Bull Bay. This is the community. This is not really the community that victim number 1 come from. But in another area she come from, but not right where I am right now. And for 4 days now, we're out of food. The soldier and the police them lock we down in here. We cannot come out to get nothing for the kids them. We not see nobody come deliver no food. If we not have it so we have corona, come test we, make we get a release. Me need release. I'm bad from my heart. I'm hungry. Me sorry say I live in my house no there. If you see my fridge empty, not even water we not have. And them have we in a lock up. What we lock up for? For that we hungry. This come like on a corona go kill we. I'm hungry. Look how my mouth lip dry. Wanna do something for we. Come test we and make we start get something to eat. Eh? This not happy. We not happy. The people them afraid of them one another. We are run from one another. Man are run from woman. Pitney are run from pitney. So why do you not want to come test we? This not have nothing to do with politics. Politics out of the question. This now and no politics. Health we there talk about. Health, we health. Come in. You see that little building there? I eat me to get me livelihood out of. That me sell me little clothes them and something out of. And the soldier them camp on my premises. Me can't sell nothing. From last week me not sell nothing. So how me I go eat? How me I go eat? Tell me how me I go eat. At my age, number one, nobody know nobody right now. Everybody fear them one another. So I need some money, and I need some food, and I need a test. Please come test me and the whole of my family them. Make we get a release. If the bus not come today, we are take drastic action. We are gonna lie down in the middle road. I make them sister we need them. We not block no road. We are gonna use our body and make the soldier and police them beat we. When we are do it. Because how long we will stay without food? How long? This yesterday morning, I know one gully me walk. Me take the gully, the riverbed, and find one shop and get some food. Me not have none today. Empty! Them empty! No now come in to serve them. No grocery people now come sell the shop them. No. From Friday no bread van no come here. So and the little community where we have, the people them buy out the shop. All over the shop are some dry biscuit. No over there. Me tell you say no line in my tongue. Me make sure I tell people say this is not about politics. Because they must start say a politics thing. But I know no politics. A health we they are talk about. Come test we and make we get a release. That's all we need. Because me don't want my country dead off with corona, you know. Me don't want corona kill off my country, you know. So if the people them believe say this is a community where them feel like we have it, come and test us. That's what we can release. Because without a test, you don't have no talk. You understand? And me I gonna be the first one in the line when the truck come. Me I gonna be the first one to get tested. So please don't come test we. Whole heap of people got the funeral. All me too. Yes! So me I go worldwide. Me got the funeral too. So me want test. But me never touch a girl, because me never know say she that. Because she grew out of my sight. When me know, me have 50 a year old, and when me know her, she and my daughter a age group. And my daughter 34 years old. So that for sure you. Not if I see. But you know what the next thing corona do to the people them too? You can't cough. Nobody have no cough again. Cough no come natural. You can't cough. If me cough right now, then run. See how my sister there, she not come near nobody. From it bust out, she run from all the whole of we like we're afraid of one another. Because at the end of the day, we can't make the whole family dead off. Yeah. The things that when them are said to win are right.
Do you have any issue with water in the community?
It all go away, the mud come back. Where the water gone for the whole day, when we get it back, a mud water. Then mud water they no can stick with too. And we now see one crate or a case of water drop off for we drink.
So is that happening in other communities are getting food and water?
Yeah, I think them start. You see from which part the girl did there? I think I hear, I don't see. Say them go there. So if it's like the blockage that come up till it reach here, I think it go 8 miles to over the bridge. So like how Una say if we stay in, I don't part there alone I want to know. I don't have a problem to stay in because that is safety for the country. But stay far and put on some water and make we come take it up then now. Stay far and put on little rice and flour and make we come take it up now. Put them in our line and we come take it up because we don't want the country get you know want exposed to everybody though. So do the right thing then man. That's all. This man a ball me a ball. Soldier go tell me, woman where you go? Me just say soldier leave me alone.
What about people who work outside the community?
Enough of them. Of course them come out. People who work and go through. People who work, thief and go through. So them not going somewhere else.
When you said thief and go,
Take all the gully.
where's that gully?
See the gully behind you. It's a gully behind you. Riverbed. The Cane River, the people them are walking. And I go about them business. Right down that. Because I eat me walking and go get some food yesterday.
So they don't walk this way?
No. Yeah, because we're hungry. And the hungry I cause it. If you live in here, you come back in here, you get stopped. After soldier can't know so we live here. Him don't know who live here. So me I go to my yard, him I go make me know me can't go over my own yard. I mean now disrespect no soldier, because I love soldier. I got mercy, I got mercy.